Hi everyone, this is my bike check 2011. Start off with the frame. I'm running a Fit Chase Hawk 2009. A little bit old, I know, but no cracks, no nothing like that yet. Move on to the S&M Redneck XLT. Super light. I love the front load stems. Push the bars real far forward. Got a Odyssey Lumberjack bars, 8.25 rise, 28.5 width, white. Took off the sticker, didn't like it. We got a OD long neck grips, super tacky. Really love them in orange. Don't know why. Was bored that day. OD bar ends come with them. Got a Odyssey mono lever brake lever, medium. Kind of fucked up, a little used. Running a Odyssey linear slick cable. Don't know where the Odyssey is on the cable. I'm running a Odyssey Evo 2 brakes. If you can see that, don't know if you can. Got a Cool Stop Eagle 2 pads, meant for the V brakes. Dual compound, orange and black. Super sticky. Go get them. See, I actually do not have a integrated bolt for my seat post right now. It's coming in the mail. I have a stolen old school seat post, green guts. Got a metal bike seat. Pretty much seat to seat. It always gets fucked up. I've got McNeil Blazer 2 forks. Super light. Only 29 ounces. Really cool stem cap. And 14mm dropouts. I like to ride aggressively. I'm running a front wheel, got an integral front hub, 36 spoke. Got Primo spokes, black, Primo nipples, black, laced to a hula hoop rim. A little heavy, it's okay though, ride hard. Got a Primo, FAF tire fit. This one is a 2.30, really fat. Like it, T-wall. My back wheel is a Primo Remix hub, green. Really like it. Hold on, I'll let you hear the sound here. Pretty nice. Got a Odyssey Hazard light wheel in black. Also, if you can't see, got green alloy nipples. Got the Sapien black spokes. Another FAF. White wall. This one's a 210. A little skinnier in the back. I'm running profile cranks, chrome, mid-bottom bracket, sealed, of course. Got the Fit DL sprocket, Rasta. 25.2, by the way, got a 9 driver in the back. Running 25.9, looking at a KMC yellow chain. Like it bright. Forgot to mention I got a Mankind headset integrated in green. And pretty much bike weighs 24 pounds. That's about it. It's my bike check. Thanks.